Hello and welcome back to Lefty's Fabrication. It's been a very long time. I think about 4 years, I believe, since I last uploaded a video. And well, I haven't really had a whole lot going on to film anyway, so I finally got myself a new project, and I thought it might be fun to get back into YouTube. So here we go. This is a 2012 Dodge Avenger, and I'm going to turn it into a race car. Over the last couple of years, I've gotten into this new type of racing called trash car racing. Basically, it's front-wheel drive, 4 or 6 cylinder junker cars, and we go around on an oval track, and we hit the crap out of each other, and it's fantastic, and it's a really good time. Alright, so here is last year's car. It's a 1997 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's got the 3100 V6 in it. And I had really good success with this car. I've got 2 or 3 first place finishes, a couple second place finishes, and I think 3 third place finishes. Did pretty well, but it runs like crap. So, out with the old, in with the new. Okay. As per the rules of trash car, I have to strip this whole car down. All the plastic's got to come off the outside, all the windows got to come out, and I have to strip the entire interior. Anything I don't absolutely need has got to go. All the headliner carpet, all that sort of stuff that's flammable. So that's the plan for today. We're going to start with the interior, and then if we get all that done, we'll start pulling off other things. Alright, let's take a quick look inside and see what we're dealing with here. I've already taken this door panel off and started messing with the glove box, but you can see what we got going on. I got to pull the carpet out, seats, all the plastic. I might even actually leave the cup holders. Yeah, maybe not. But yeah, all the interior stuff's got to come out. That's what we're working on. It's actually a really clean car. It's kind of a bummer that it got wrecked the way it did. Drives great. It's only got 135,000 miles on it. There's nothing wrong with it other than, you know, the obvious. It's really a pretty gentle tap on the front. It really wasn't that big of a deal, but it was enough that it crinkled the hood and obviously made the airbags go off and crinkled the front. Both the front fenders, broke the headlights. But it'll make a good trash car. First thing is I need to get this stupid airbag out of here because I can't see nothing. Yep. That's a little better. Okay. So, I finished taking out this piece for the glove box. I had to take this whole center console apart. Why? Why? Everything else comes off. Everything else. I broke it. I broke it. Definitely can't sell that on eBay. I am hoping that I can take this car apart just gently enough that I can actually sell some of these parts. Try and make back a little bit of money to put back into the car. Because, I don't know if anyone's noticed, but steel prices are outrageous! Patience! Running thin already. I see, I can't get that piece off. Oh, of course, I need a screwdriver. Oh, I don't... Man, there's little like pieces of little tiny shards of glass everywhere. I keep cutting myself. I might have to vacuum this thing out before I get too far. I've already cut myself twice. Well, it seems as though I gotta take the seats out. But I gotta do it anyway to get the carpet out. I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back. Oh, hey, you're back. Just getting the back seat out now. Oh, where's my... Ow! Oh, God. Oh, right on my toe. Oh, guitar pick. That's a keeper. Nice. How is it? That one's free. Oh, got it. I got it. As you can see, I finally got all the seats out, and I got the center console out. That was a task. There's some hidden bolts right there that were hard to find, but I got them all out. I think I'm gonna have to wait to pull this piece out until I pull out the windshield, because there's some screws up front that I can't get to, so that'll have to wait. But I think other than this piece and the carpet and the headliner, I've got it. I mean, there's really, I pulled the fuzzy stuff out of the trunk. Brain fart. But it's looking pretty good. Not going too bad. Ooh, a quarter. There's a lot of rubber bands in here. Those aren't for braces. Oh, gross. I'm not 100% sure how to do this, so I'm just gonna start ripping it out. Yeah, I was gonna vacuum it, but I don't really care. So. Get out of there, you dog. Ugh. Yeah. Really? Where are ya? Always handy to have a nice sharp knife on you. You never know. Got it. Okay. Oh, why does that feel so gross? Ah! Oh, that's nasty. Excuse me. Come on. You know you want to. I had stuff going everywhere. Why? Alright, now that I got all the nasty carpet in there, I don't know what got spilled in that corner, but whoa, oh man, my hands are still sticky. Alright, now that I got all the carpet out of here, I can finish pulling out a little bit of plastic that's left, do underneath the back glass, and do the headliner. Hopefully I can avoid having a side curtain airbag going off in my face. Oh, paperclip! Oh, that's mine. How do you undo that? That helps. Deleted. I know some of you are gonna make fun of me. Colin, you had a Milwaukee Impact a second ago. Why don't you have one of those to do this with? Well, although I am a mechanic for a living now, I can't seem to afford all the tools. This was a gift. Get off my back. Ah! Why is everything attached with glue? I'm like, why? I'm trapping myself. I'm trapped. And I'm stuck. Where am I stuck? And for those 63 of you currently that are subscribers, I'd like to say thank you. And if anyone else was thinking about subscribing, I would really, really be grateful if you did. That'd be super cool. Now, how do I get this out? So I thought I would just show you all what we're dealing with now that we have the cabin area all sorts of cleaned out, other than finishing up the dash there. I need to figure out where all these wires go and what I can get rid of, because I would like to eliminate as much as possible. But it's a lot. It goes all the way from here, stops, and goes right here and ends, because that's just the power for that door. Then goes up to here, and then goes over to here, to this explosion stick that is right near my head. It is equal on this side. Comes to here, stops, goes to that door, comes up, does the same thing. Then we also have another explosion stick. This one's a blueberry flavored one versus the strawberry. I don't know why they're different colors, but they are. Figure out how to get rid of those without it going in my face. And then after that, not too much, just door panels and the trunk. And then the interior is basically done, other than this mess. Alright, I'm trying to get this spare out of here. One of the new things for Trash Car that started last year was now you're allowed to reinforce the trunk of your car. Up until last year, you could not reinforce the trunk at all. And then, for some reason, they took it out of the rules, which is just fine by me, because the other car's trunk is destroyed. It is so weak, I can't believe it's still holding up. The only thing that's keeping that car from absolutely crushing in is the rub rails I put around the outside. That's the only thing holding the back end of that car together. Luckily, my welds are holding so far. So, there is that. Oh, come here, little donut. Oh, look, a pencil. No lead in it. Oh, look, a pen. Oh, does it still work? Nope. Found a Lego. One of them weird angular pieces. Oh, I should have kept that. Oh, my son's gonna be mad. I should have kept that. Oh, I'll find it. Well, hello. Welcome to day 2 of the Avenger teardown. Last night I ran out of memory in my camera, so I had to stop. But we're picking it up back up this morning. Just getting the door panels off, and then we're gonna start working on the outside. Now, luckily, like I was saying yesterday, a lot of this stuff just comes apart. What a nice thing to do. I mean, really? It's just easy. And because I'm a hoarder, I have saved every single screw that I have pulled out of this car so far, because you just never know when you're going to need a random screw. And at some point, maybe within the next 50 years, I'll actually use these. Don't know what that was. I'm gonna get this door handle out. There's just a little metal clip. Oh, that's what I broke. And of course, anybody that is not trying to, do what I'm doing and absolutely destroying their car will probably be a little more gentle than I am. Come off of there. I have no inkling of keeping any of this stuff, and anything that I can't sell is going in a dumpster. All of this has got to go bye. So maybe we'll work on maybe we will work on that next. I don't know. Doesn't really matter, does it? Gotta figure out how to get this here glass out. I don't really want to shatter it, 'cause that'll just make a giant mess. See if we can get this off here. Why is there so many bolts? I'm not glued on, is it? Are there any more bolts? Nope. Nice. Okay. I'm just gonna rip all this wiring off of here because I don't care. Got it. Oh, hello. Oh, I broke it. All right. Why? Why? How come this won't come off? There it goes. Okay. Well, after many trials and tribulations and walking through the desert for a little while, I think I got it figured out. Hopefully I don't drop it. Got it. Now where do I put it so it doesn't go boom all over my floor? Yes! One thing that is nice is that every single screw in this car so far has been a T15. And that I appreciate. It's like working on an old Chevy. You can get everything done with a 1/2 inch and a 9/16, except for everything on this car is metric. Which makes sense. Not even kind of. Maybe I'll take that off. How do I get that out of there? Oh! Did though with the clip. Done. And I just gotta do that 3 more times. Oops. Alright. Well, that is all 4 doors done as far as I care to take them tonight. I think start stripping a little bit of the exterior. Oh, you're still here. Oh, that's nice. That's good. Cause I was beginning to worry. Y'all had left me already. Well, oops. Why is that one spinning? I don't know. But well, what's the point of... Anyway. Well, thank y'all for watching the video. I'd sure appreciate you watching all the way to the end. If you made it all the way to the end, you are an amazing person, no matter what your mom says. There we go. I'm going to keep stripping this thing down, just get all the boring crap off that no one really cares to see. And then next time we'll get into, you know, removing the glass and possibly start doing some fabrication. That sounds like a good time, doesn't it? It does to me. I hope to make this a much more regular thing than every 4 years or so. So we'll see how that goes. But I really do appreciate you for coming along for the ride, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you very much.